Guys, DJ here, the ADU Pro at our project on Clydesdale in the city of Moreno Valley. And like I say just before every video, a lot has happened since our last video. All our framing is complete. And the majority of our MEPs are complete. And for you first-time watchers, MEP, mechanical, all the rough mechanical. That's the ventilation for the exhaust fans. And that is the rough for the mini splits that we put into here. The E, the rough electrical, and the P, the rough plumbing. Also today, all our windows are going in and our exterior doors going in. Right now, Jesse and the crew are putting all the flashings up. So this material has to go underneath the edge of the window when it gets installed and screwed in. And the inspector wants to see this flashing all the way around. Basically, it's a weatherproofing. On top of the weatherproofing that happens when we put the stucco up. But all our electrical locations are in. You can see all of that all the way around. All our rough plumbing is in. You can see our plumbing and all the vents go up through the roof. Our ventilation for the toilet or the bathroom area is inducted through the roof. And our mini split installer is on his way today. And that mini split head is gonna go here. So all this gets done today. I'm gonna call for inspection. Once we have inspection, then I'm able to put the roof on, get this thing wrapped for stucco. Once that happens, we get the insulation in the walls, get it inspected, then we're able to put drywall up, then we can get our flooring in, then we can get our cabinetry in. It all comes into play. But any questions about building process of an ADU anywhere in Southern California, any questions about any part of it, planning, building departments, if you want to know who the nightmare cities are, please let me know. DM us at the link below and I'll be more than happy to answer any questions or make a video about it. So guys, thank you for watching our channel. Thank you for subscribing to our channel. Please subscribe, give us some likes. DJ, the ADU Pro, out.